As first thing to mount our brand new TSC 200, we remove the frontal cover, which it is fixed by 2 screws. Then we can start assembly the handling. First, we screw completely the threaded spindle, 10 complete rotations. We then mount the first piece of the handle, which, beware, is not symmetrical. You can check that everything is correct by measuring the portion of the threaded spindle that protrudes, which must be 4.8 centimeters. We mount the reinforcement part without screwing it. Then, before assembling the second part of the handle, which for instance is also not symmetrical, we slide on it the electronic box. We put the power cord holder on the handle end and we insert the cable into it. Then we fix the electronic box as close as possible to the handle end. Next, we fix all together with the second threaded spindle, the one with the knob. We must tighten it firmly and with force. Following, we put the cable inside the handling. If it's too long, we slide the extra portion inside the machine and we close it with the plastic cover. Last thing to remain is to secure all the screws on the 2 handle reinforcements.